Good morning, class 8. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kumti Nagar, Nevada. This is the fourth video lecture of the chapter Coal and Petroleum. So, coal we have discussed everything, uses and the destructive distillation, its product that we get after destructive distillation. These things we have discussed. So, we will now discuss or introduce the term petroleum. What is petroleum? In Greek language, in Greek language, Petra means rocks and oleum means oil, that is rocks, oil from rocks. So in Greek language, the petra means the rocks and the oleum means the oil, and petroleum means the oil from rocks. What is petroleum? How it looks? Petroleum is dark colored, thick, oily liquid with an unpleasant smell. The smell of petroleum is unpleasant, means not good. How petroleum is formed? So it is believed that millions of years ago, the small, extremely small plants and the animals in the sea, when they die, they settle at the bottom of the sea, means sea bed, and immediately get covered with the clay, and slowly, due to decomposition of more and more clay, that the dead remains of the extremely small plants and animal get exposed to very high temperature, high pressure, and due to bacterial action, these remains of the living organism slowly get converted into petroleum and natural gas. Okay, so how petroleum is formed? Petroleum is formed due to decomposition of remains of extremely small plants and animals buried under the sea millions of years ago. Okay, so how these dead remains of the plant and animal get converted into petroleum? Over millions of years, due to high temperature, high pressure, and action of bacteria, the dead plants and animals were slowly got converted into petroleum, oil, and natural gas. Okay, so the three important points you will remember, that from where means which organism get converted into petroleum. The extremely small plants and animals get converted into petroleum. Where it get converted into the petroleum? Under the seabed. One more thing, the three reason behind conversion in petroleum is high temperature, high pressure, and action of bacteria, which converted these living organism or the dead remains of the living organism into petroleum and natural gas. Okay, the next question is how petroleum is obtained. So before obtaining the petroleum, first we have to understand where it is present. It is present deep under the earth crust between two impervious layer of rocks. Impervious means the rock that do not allow liquid to flow through or seep through them is called impervious rock. If you see here, this is the earth crust, and deep under the earth crust, these two are the impervious rocks. Between these two rocks, the petroleum and natural gas is present. Since petroleum is lighter than water, so it will float above the water, and natural gas, it is a gas, you know, it will always be above the liquid. So in the remaining place between the impervious rock, the natural gas will be present. So where this petroleum is present, so petroleum occurs deep under the earth surface. Petroleum occurs deep under the surface of earth between two layers of impervious rocks. Okay, and natural gas occurs above the petroleum oil. So before drilling or before taking out petroleum, first scientists will do survey. First they will see for the possible location where there can be a petroleum reservoir or the area where petroleum can be found. So survey is conducted by the scientists to locate the area containing petroleum oil. So survey by scientists are done to locate petroleum oil. Once survey is done at that place, drilling is done. With the help of drilling means that is the equipment, there is a hole made or drill is done, and after drilling it reach to the rocks, and with the help of that pipe only they will take out the petroleum. Or actually petroleum comes out as it is, because where extremely pressure is there, and since it is pressurized, once it is drilled, the petroleum start coming out through that opening back, because I have told you it is exposed to very high pressure. At such places, petroleum is obtained by drilling holes, also called oil wells, okay, into the earth crust by machine called drilling rigs. So after doing survey, the place which is located, at that place drilling holes, which is also called oil wells, drilling is done, and in the earth crust with the machine called drilling rigs, okay. So by this the petroleum is obtained. The area in India where it is found, in India, petroleum is found in Assam, Gujarat, and in river basins of Godavari and Krishna. It is also found in an area called Mumbai High. It is also obtained from an area called Mumbai High. Mumbai High, located 150 kilometers from Mumbai. So in India where petroleum is found, it is found in Assam, Gujarat. It is also found in the river basin of the Godavari and Krishna river, and it is also obtained from an area called Mumbai High. This area is around 150 kilometers away from the Mumbai city, okay. So remaining we will discuss in next video. Thank you.